Bonjour les amis, aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre les noms d'animaux. Today we are going to learn the names of animals in French. Let's get started. Les animaux domestiques, les animaux de compagnie, that is domesticated animals or pets. So basically a pet is a companion animal that lives with you in your home, as in cats, dogs. So let's learn the pets. Un chien, a dog. Un chien. Un hamster, a hamster. Un chat, a cat. Un chat, a cat. Une tortue, a tortoise. Un lapin, a rabbit. Un perroquet, a parrot. Un perroquet. Une souris, a mouse. So these are the names of few pets that lives with you in your home, which you can pet as an animal. They can be your pet. Now we are going to learn les animaux de la ferme, the farm animals. So basically, les animaux de la ferme, the farm animals, are animals which are raised for agricultural purposes in a farm. So let's learn the farm animals, les animaux de la ferme. Une vache, a cow. Une vache. Une poule, a hen. Une poule, a hen. Un coq, a rooster. Un coq. Un canard, a duck. Un mouton, a sheep. Un mouton. Une chèvre, a goat. Une chèvre, a goat. Un cochon, a pig. Une dinde, a turkey. Un cheval, a horse. Un âne, a donkey. So that's all in today's session. Merci beaucoup. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And coming soon, the names of marine animals, that is sea animals, and wild animals. Merci, au revoir.